Images on Easy Commerce. If you watch this channel for first time, please subscribe and also visit playlist for more classes. In this session, let us understand what is unity elastic demand. What is unity elastic demand or elastic demand? It is a situation in which changes in the quantity demanded of a commodity is just proportionate to the changes in its price. Then it can be termed as unity elastic demand. So it can be expressed in the mathematically as elasticity is equal to 1. That is, when the price of the commodity is 20% changes in the price of the commodity will leads to 20% changes in the demand of the same commodity, then it can be termed as unity elastic demand. That is, 20% decrease in price leads to 20% increase in the quantity demanded, then it is situation of the unity elastic demand. Unity elastic demand. So it can be expressed in the form of a diagram as here. This is the diagram showing the unity elastic demand. Here the price of the commodities decreases from, this is the price, x-axis, y-axis, quantity demand. Here the price of the commodities decreases from 30 to 20, which leads to increasing in the quantity demanded from 20 to 30. So here proportionate changes in the quantity demanded equals the proportionate changes in price. So this is the situation of the unity elastic demand. Unity elastic demand. It is to be noted that the shape of the demand curve in the case of unity elastic demand is rectangular hyperbola. Rectangular hyperbola. If you understand this concept, please visit description box for more classes. Thank you.